Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to this back at it. How you doing? I have this 2015 Mercedes Benz GLK 350 3.5 liters. Well, if you see this, it's because I want to show you how to do the brakes. All right. Luckily, we don't need a computer. We don't need a scanner to do this because this is just a regular caliper. Okay, it doesn't have the electronic the EPB, electronic parking brake. Okay, so let me show you how to do this. Hey, before I get into the action, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Alright. No, but a lot of people in the comments be like, get to the point and this and that, blah 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 blah. Well, I gotta do this before I get to the point, you know what I'm saying? So subscribe to the channel, do that for me, help me, like I'm helping you out right now, like this, doing this, you know what I'm saying? So help me out by subscribing to my channel. Click the like button, click the bell, so every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Share this video and the feedback, put it in the comment box for me, okay? And the other way you can help me is by watching the whole ad. Okay, don't skip it. Just watch the whole ad, and pretty much. And the other way you can help me out is by leaving the tip on the table. God damn it! Alright, that's pretty much it with the intro. Alright, so let's get it. I have to remove this guy right here. I'm gonna use the bit BT30. Lyso. I'm gonna pop this guy like this. Pretty much. So if you come in this angle, you can pop this now. So it's not difficult. It's not. These are the sliders. You're not gonna do it now because for that we're gonna use a 7 Allen. We're not gonna do it now because it's too tight. We don't have a space, especially for the one in the bottom. Okay, you can do it here. It's okay, but we're gonna do it after we remove the whole thing. We're gonna hit these bolts with an 18mm wrench, ratcheting, and this guy. Okay, 18mm. The one on top, do it from the top. And the one at the bottom, do it from the bottom. It's easier like that. Now it should come out like that. There you go. So now you can remove the pads now. It's okay, just like that. This one you have to like kind of like push it down. Now for what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna need both hands. So I'm gonna use the 3/8 impact gun with the 7 Allen and hit those. Okay. Now you can remove those. Alright? And then this thing's gonna split, and then I'm gonna push the piston back. Okay. So this is the piston, call it piston pusher. Just put it there like that. Instead of spinning it, turn it clockwise. I need 2 hands. Oh, there you go. Until it's all the way back, like around here. Hold up, like around here, something like that. I'll show you after I push it all the way back. That's how it looks like when you push it all the way back. Right? You can take these guys out, push them like that, remove them, and put some grease. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put the rotor, the new rotor, and put the new pads. Put the the bracket together with the caliper, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's do it. So grab the new rotor. Make sure this hole right here align with this one right here. Okay. Like that. So you can put the bolt there. Or like this. Pretty much, alright. Like this, like that. Push it up. Okay, I need 2 hands, okay, so I'll try to do it right here. Just like that. Right. Put the bracket and all that. I'll show you the final thing. Oh, don't forget to brush this, guys. Yeah, right here. Brush it, clean it, and lube it. Put some grease in it. So you put it back. This is how it looks like. Okay. You're gonna put the this pad through here and then set it. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put it back like that. Try to put some Loctite. This is the bolt that I hold the caliper. Okay, just a little bit though. That's good. Put it right there. Now tight it and snug it. Alright, to put the clip back, like that, back, like this, and then just push this. There it is. Okay. Stop it just to make sure it is there. That's pretty much it. On the right side, passenger side, you're gonna have a sensor. Okay, put it like this. Push it in. This thing, just gonna go like this. And that's it. Okay. Now since you're done with the brakes, you can put the tire back or just get in the driver's side and pump the brake until it gets hard. Okay. Or just put the tire now and then go to the driver's side, pump the brakes until it gets hard. Check the go under the hood and check the brake fluid reservoir. I'll show you that in a second. Now I come to the put the tires back. Come to the driver's side. Pump the brake pedal until it gets hard. It's hard now. Now let's check the brake fluid reservoir. Come this way. See that? It's right there at the mats. That's a minimum mats. It's right there. So good. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That's pretty much it. Road test the car, and if you don't hear any sound, then you're good to go. Okay. Thank you for watching. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Leave the tip on the table. You know what I'm saying, the only way you can help me out is by watching the whole ad without skipping it. Don't skip the ad. Okay, do that for me, since you're getting this video for free. Alright, hit the like button, hit the bell button, so every time I upload something new, you're gonna be the first one to know. Thank you for becoming a subscriber, and share this video and the feedback. Put in the comment box for me. Let me know what you think. I'm just gonna leave it right here, and holla at your boy. See you in the next one. I'm out. Holla at your boy.